Let's learn how do we divide the number 372 by 2 using the long division method. See that, consider the number 3. We know that 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Subtract, we get 1. Now this 1 is less than 2. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 7 here. And we know that 2 times 8 is equal to 16. Subtract, we get 1. Now again this 1 is less than 2. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 2 here. And we know that 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Subtract, we get 0. As we have no number to bring down here and we have got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore 372 divided by 2 is equal to this number 186, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.